Hi everyone, welcome back to the world of learning. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the lesson 2. Okay, already we discussed lesson 2 and I given the bits also. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the lesson 1. So our topic is reading practice. Okay, so this week we read the lessons. Okay, so what are the pages I am giving? You should read in your home by watching the video. Okay, so after reading that, I am giving some hard words to you. Okay, so you should practice in your rough book. And again, you will send to the WhatsApp group. Okay, so definitely watch the video, practice the hard words. It is useful to write the question and answers without mistakes. Okay, shall we go to the topic? So what is our topic name? Yeah, what I wear. So, second lesson, what I wear. What I wear. Okay, so today in this video, we are learning how to read the page number 9 and page number 10. Okay, so today we are going to read page number 9 and 10. Okay, these are the two page numbers we are going to discuss. Come on, all of you have your textbooks now? Then open your textbook. What are the materials required when you are watching the video? So better to keep with you your textbook, your rough notes and pencil. Okay, so when I am giving the question and answers, you use pen. Okay, come on, coming to the lesson. So what I wear? See children, here the story of learning ladder. Learning ladder, the story of cloth. Okay, so listen about the story of cloth. A long time ago, the early humans used to wear animal skins and leaves of trees to cover and protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. Next page. Page number 10. With time, human beings learnt, L-E-A-R-N-T, learnt. Human beings learnt to make clothes using cotton, wool and silk. These are obtained from plants and animals. These days, most of the clothes produced, P-R-O-D-U-C-E-D, produced are made with the help of machines. How is cloth made? Cloth is made using different methods: spinning and weaving. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G, spinning and weaving. W-E-A-V-I-N-G, weaving. Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn by a yarn. Converted, C-O-N-V-E-R-T-E-D, converted into yarn. Weaving. Weaving is a process by which two sets of thread, T-H-R-E-A-D, thread are crossed, C-R-O-S-S-E-D, crossed together on a loom, L-O-O-M, loom. This process converts, C-O-N-V-E-R-T-S, converts the thread into fabric, F-A-B-R-I-C, fabric. Knitting, K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G, knitting. It is a process of making woolen clothes with the help of two needles, N-E-E-D-L-E-S, needles. It can also be done using machines. Listen children. So this is about page number 9 and 10. Shall we read fastly now? Okay, listen. The story of cloth. A long time ago, the early humans used to wear animal skins and leaves of trees to cover and protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. With time, human beings learned to make cloth using cotton, wool and silk. These are obtained from plants and animals. These days, most of the clothes produced are made with the help of machines. How is cloth made? Cloth is made using different methods: spinning and weaving. Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn. Weaving is a process by which two sets of threads are crossed together on a loom. This process converts the thread into fabric. Knitting. It is a process of making woolen clothes with the help of two needles. It can also be done using machines. Okay, so that is about the page number 9 and 10, the story of cloth, and again how is cloth made. Okay, now we will write some hard words belong to the page number 9 and 10. Okay, we will learn the 10 words today. So what is that? Come on, take the rough notes and write in your rough note, children. So first word. First word. Early humans. Early humans. Early humans. Second one. Themselves. T-H-E-M-S-E-L-V-E-S. Themselves. Next. Obtained. O-B-T-A-I-N-E-D. Obtained. Next. Produced. P-R-O-D-U-C-E-D. Produced. Machines. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S. Machines. Next. Sixth one. Spinning. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. Next one. Weaving. W-E-A-V-I-N-G. Weaving. Next. Converted. C-O-N-V-E-R-T-E-D. Converted. Converted. Next. Loom. 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 Next. Fabric. F-A-B-R-I-C. Fabric. Next. Knitting. K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. Knitting. Next. Needles. N-E-E-D-L-E-S. Needles. Okay. So these are the words belong to page number 9, 10. What are the topics? How the cloth is made and story of cloth. Okay. So these are the two topics we covered today in this video. Reading practice of page number 9 and 10. Topics are story of cloth and how the cloth is made. Shall we recite the words, children? Okay, come on. First one, early humans. What is the spelling of early humans? Yeah, early spelling EARLY. Early humans. 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 Early humans. Themselves. 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 Obtain. OBTAINED. Obtained. Produced. 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 Fifth one. Machines. 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 Spinning. 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 Weaving. 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 Converted. 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 Loom. 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 Fabric. 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 Do you know about fabric? Yeah. How the cloth? That is the material to make the clothes. Fabric is the material for making of clothes. Fabric. 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 Knitting. 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 Needles. 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 Okay, so these are the words. Now you find the words. Where is the weaving? Which number it is? Sixth one? No. Ninth one? No. What is ninth one? Loom. What is that? What is the loom spelling? LOOM. Then what I asked about weaving. So which number it is? 7. Seventh word is weaving. Come on, spell the weaving. 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 Next, where is the fabric? 10th one. Correct no? Yeah, it is correct. Fabric. What is the spelling of fabric? FABRIC. Fabric. Next, where is themselves? THEMSELVES. Themselves. Next, machines. 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 Spinning. Where is the spinning? Yeah, here. Sixth one. Spinning. What is the spelling of spinning? SPINNING. 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 Okay. So first you write the diary work, children. So you write the date. What is the date? 21/9/20. Okay. So what is the date? Monday. No? So you should write, when you are writing the diary work, first you should fill the column. What is the date and date? Okay. Come on, note down the diary work. Practice. Practice which lesson? Lesson 2. Okay. So lesson 2, page 9, 10 words. So don't need to write all the words. Given words. 9, 10. Given words. Given words. 3 times. Okay. If you want nice remarks now, you should practice with neat and tidy handwriting, children. Okay. So where you are practicing? In your classwork now? No, don't use classwork. You should write in your rough notebook. Okay, every time I don't say. So remember, keep it in the mind. Okay, fix it in your mind. What is that? Except question and answers. So only question and answers purpose we are using the classwork. Okay, then no need to copy even bits in your classwork. Already your bits are in textbook. No? Yeah, textbook. What you are using to write the textbook? Pencil. Correct now? Yeah, pencil. When you are writing the classwork, what you use? Yeah, the third children, before you used in second class, watch pencil. But now you should use pen. Okay? Write the question and answers, classwork with pen, and textbook bits, write a pencil. Okay? So whatever practice I am giving, that is write in your rough notebook. Okay? Come on, listen once again. We will read fastly. themselves, obtained, produced, machines, spinning, weaving, converted, loom, fabric, knitting, needles. Needles, knitting, fabric, loom, converted, weaving, spinning, machines, produced, obtained, themselves, early humans. Okay, so these are the words. Which page? Page 9 and 10. Okay, so you should each and every word practice in your book. How many times? 3 times. Okay, so first you practice it. Afterwards, ask your parents to conduct a slip test on the words. Okay, so after copying, after practicing, what you should do? Ask your parents to conduct a slip test. Otherwise, ask these words to me. You say like that, your parents are asking to you now. So, for example, 12 words I given now. Then what you do? I have given 12 words today on the board. Okay, so you ask your parent. They are conducting slip test one by one word. Okay, so if the word is not coming to you, if that word not coming to you, again you practice. Okay, if it is coming spelling easily, then no need to write again. So after completing 3 times, what you do? Ask your parents to conduct a slip test. Okay, so after conducting the slip test, okay, so which are the words not coming to you? Which one is hard? And automatically, then you can practice that words again. Okay, so if you practice like that, you are thorough with the words as well as reading. Okay, so first you read. Okay, so when I am reading, you should follow. Open your textbook and you should follow. Okay, put the finger in the textbook. I am reading very slowly now. Each and every word I am saying now. So you should read, and then after reading, after completing my reading, what I am giving? I am giving words on the board. Okay, so read that, and again spelling, pronunciation, everything I am saying now. Then after, then what you do? You should practice in your book. Okay, so after practicing, then you ask your parents to conduct a slip test. Watch these words. Okay, then which one is not coming to you? Again, you ask your parents. You ask your parents, and which one is not coming to you? Take the rough notes and again practice that words. Okay, so like that you follow. Each and every day I am giving reading practice, hard words. Okay, and again you should practice and send to the WhatsApp group. Okay children, don't forget to write words. While watching the video, you should practice the words and send to the WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you.